Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set volume button function into ringtone volume on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, okay, here you can see the volume button function. And the volume button function is set into media volume. To set into ringtone volume, okay, you'll have to do is tap the volume button function and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option. And now you can set into ringtone volume by selecting this into pop-up. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the volume button function into ringtone volume on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.